Feeling good on a Sunday night? If you ain't feeling good, I don't know what's wrong with you.